What is going on, my peeps? Man, Burso is back with another video. Back here to talk about the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 that Samsung revealed and showed off alongside the new foldable series for the year. Yes, the OnePlus, I did it again. The Galaxy Buds 2 are a refresh or an upgrade, if you will, to the Galaxy Buds Plus, which means that this is most likely taking over the new standard line for the numerical series, and then the Pro series will be the other series. I don't think we're getting any more Plus models. I think they were just in desperate need to do a follow-up update on the OG Galaxy Buds. So before we get into this box and this video, if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys ignite the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so that way you never miss my videos. Then we can sit back, chillax, see what's cracking. And also let me know down in the comment section below, do you like using earbuds? What are your favorite earbuds? Have you used Samsung Galaxy Buds before? I like the wingtips that they had with the OG Buds and the Galaxy Buds Plus. I see it's a slightly different direction with the Buds 2 and Buds Pro. These are slightly smaller than the Buds Pro as well. So let me know down in the comment section below your thoughts on earbuds in general and if they're worth it to you. Now let's get into the video. And what we're gonna do is, Tigress, do your thing. Cut into, oh, there's another one. Whoop. All right, just like that, and it should, yeah, it is, okay. So, as you guys see, boom, just like that, and you're greeted with a nice white box, floss, and then you have your cables right here and additional bud sizes for comfort for your ears. I think they come with the mediums installed, which leaves small and large in here. And then, of course, a charging cable, USB-A to USB-C. And then, as I said, the other bud tips right here. All right, got those. And you got these bad boys right here. And then, as I said, we can move that to the side, throw that over there. And then, of course, you're greeted with this, the new charge case. It is interesting that they are going, thank you, come again, with a premium white finish, and the inside is where you will be surprised with the goodies. And so if you open it, boom, just like that, you got that olive green in there, and oh my goodness, do they look good? Do they look good? I do like the difference in them. It looks like they're charged. Now, I don't have my phone connected, so I can't connect them right now, but what I did want to do is show you guys the colors, what it looks like, and actually trying them on to see if I'm even going to like them. So if you look on the inside, you got your green to let you know of the charge status, and then you have sound tuned by AKG in the middle in there, and then the case is green nonetheless all the way around. I do like the white case, and the size is fine. The size is very pocketable still. That you could argue they could possibly fit in that even smaller pocket within the pocket of jeans. So shout out to Samsung for making revisions. Now, here we go. Will I like these in my ear? They remind me of the Galaxy Buds Live. Now, I never had a pair, but they were bean shaped, and they remind me of that. Now, we're gonna find out. Not bad. They fit in my ear. They fit in. I'm using the pre-installed Buds tips, and I don't have any problem with my ears. And they still slide right into like your ear, your upper kind of earlobe pocket, if you will, right up in there in that crevice, and they're just fine. Now, right now, I can tell that ANC is on by default. So going into the settings, all you have to do is turn that off, and or turn ambient sound on. You can actually have both off if you wanted to, but you can turn either of those on in the settings, and we're going to get into that in another video with the review and whatnot. But this is just the first impressions, a quick look and feel. How do they look in terms of being green? I like it. I'm gonna miss my Galaxy Buds Plus because I really adored the red color, and I have a feeling Samsung may drop a red, maybe a red case as well, but a red version of these in about a month or two. So I'm gonna be instantly jealous about that. What else you get in the box? Paperwork, of course, that we just never really care about. If we open this up, as you see. Quick start guide, which is the usual, and you can dismiss that just like that. Wow. So this is the unboxing and first impressions of the Galaxy Buds 2. I already like them, and they're easy to take out, and as I showed you, with vigorous head movements and simulating me shooting basketball and running around, I'm not gonna have a problem with these when I take these outside, and they slip out just fine. So the fact that they slip out just fine but then also fit securely in your ear is a great architectural design improvement and skill that Samsung really has with their devices. As you guys heard me just gush over the Z Flip 3, oh my lord, do I like the additional heft and the design quality of the Z Flip 3 over the Z Flip. So if you guys haven't already, check out the Galaxy Z Flip versus the Z Flip 3 video when I drop it, unless it's already dropped by the time this video drops. But again, let me know down in the comment section below what you guys think of the Buds series. Do you like any of them? Have you used them? Do you like earbuds in general? Do you use AirPods? Let me know down in the comment section below. But again, as always, if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys like the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, so that way you know my videos. That way we can sit back, relax, see what's cracking. It's your man Versatile signing out until the next video. Wait, boy.